In the continuation of the sliding file menu, we come to the print option with the shortcut key of Ctrl+P. When we want to make a print of the slides, we can use this option for the related settings of print. When we click on print option, this page for more settings will be opened for us. That in the copies section, we can determine that how many copies we want to make and write a number here. In the printer section, we can select the name of the connected printer to our computer. And in the settings section, we can determine that which slides we want to make a print of them. If you want to print all the slides, you can select print all slides. Also, if you want to make a print of the slide that you can see here, select print current slides. And if you have special slides for print, you can select custom range, and here you can enter the range of the slides that you want to make a print of them. Also, for regulating the print for the layout of your slides, you can use the print layout option. That by default, the full page slides is selected. If you wrote any special note in the slides and it is important to have them in the print, select the note page option in order to have the notes of your slides in the print. And if you have activated the outline your slides and you want that your print is in an outline view, you can select outline view. Now I regulated the outline view for the first slides. As you see, if I selected the outline view, the slides will be shown in this way for me. That if you want to make print of your slides with this view, you should regulate all your slides in the outline view. That I explained about the outline view previously. In the next section, you can determine that how many slides be printed in one A4 page. You can use 1, 2, or 3 slides, which is common. In the view of 3 slides in a page will be shown for you here, and it puts some lines in front of the slides that when you make print of the slides in this way and gives you to the audience, your audience can write down the key points while you are presenting and giving speech. And you can see more settings for the layout that you have selected here. As you see, there is a frame around each slide that if you want that the slides be printed with this frame, you can select frame slides. And if you don't select it, the frame around the slides won't be shown and you can see them in the print. That I recommend you select frame slides in order to be good looking and organized. And if the scale to fit paper be active, your fit slides will be shown in the screen. If you don't select this option, the size of the slides will be smaller, and I recommend you also active scale to fit paper option. Also, if you like to print the comments that you have added them to the slide, you can click on the print comments, otherwise inactivate. In the next menu, there are 2 options, collated and uncollated, that you can choose each of them based on your need. In the first option, I mean collated, if you determine here that make 5 copies of your slides, if you select collated, it makes a print of the first slide to the last one. For the next time, it does the same and makes copy of the first slide to the last one. But if you select uncollated, it makes a copy of the first slide for 5 times, and then it goes to the second slide and makes 5 copy of that, and continues it to the end. If you select the second option, organizing the copies will be hard for you. I think it would be better to put it uncollated. In the next section, you can determine the direction of your slides, that you want it to be vertical or horizontal. In the next section, you can select that your prints be colorful, gray or black and white, and based on your need you can select one of these options. And if you click on the edit header and footer, the header and footer window will open for you, which we talked about it previously, and you can regulate the related settings to the header and footer here. This was all about the print option, and in the continuation we will study the other section of the file menu. Thank you for accompanying me to this course.